Personal pronoun chart with Tamil example. Person pronoun Tamil meaning. First person singular I நான். First person plural we நாம் நாங்கள். Second person you நீ நீங்கள். Third person male he அவன். Third person female she அவள். Third person thing or animal it அது. Third person plural they அவர்கள். These are the personal pronoun guys. I think you can understand. Now we go to the possessive pronoun. Okay, the possessive pronoun. Now listen guys, possessive pronoun chart with Tamil meaning. Possessive pronoun Tamil meaning. Mine என்னுடையது, ours எங்களுடையது, yours உங்களுடையது, his அவனுடையது, hers அவளுடையது, its அதனுடையது, thus அவர்களுடையது. One more time guys, mine என்னுடையது, ours எங்களுடையது, yours உங்களுடையது, his அவனுடையது, hers அவளுடையது, its அதனுடையது, thus அவர்களுடையது. Now we go to the demonstrative pronoun chart with the Tamil example guys. Demonstrative pronoun Tamil meaning. This இது, that அது, these இவை, those அவை. That's all guys. Thank you. Subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye.